Assalam Alaikum, what is up, and welcome in this another video. I hope you're fine, good, cool, and having chill. If you guys are new here, so please subscribe to the channel right now for getting my more tutorials and turn on your bell icon for getting the notification of my next videos. And I'm on Instagram. You guys can easily follow me on Instagram. Link of my Instagram is in the description. And for purchasing these kind of turbans or any kind of turban or shima, you guys can contact my own brand AD. The WhatsApp number and Telegram number is given in the description. We deliver in all over the world, and delivery is free in all over Pakistan. And in this beautiful tutorial, I'm going to show you that how can you tie a beautiful amamah, beautiful turban like Furqan is tying in Raqs Bismil. So let's see how can you tie this. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have so, give a big thumbs up and leave your beautiful comments below because I'm just waiting for your comments. And Allah Hafiz till my next video.